Do you want to excel in maths and science? If your answer is yes, then let me tell you go ahead with Infinity Learn courses. And to get best discounts, subscribe right now. The link is given below in the description box. Hello my dear students, welcome to the session, and as you all know that I am Divya, your science expert, and today in this session we are going to take very interesting and important topic. And before we start, I would really like to tell you that you can use this coupon code DE10 to avail 10% extra discount. So, and also I hope you all know that my channel is in collaboration with Infinity Learn. So whenever you want to buy the courses, please make sure that you use this coupon code DE10 and you'll get 10% extra discount. Okay, so let's get started and let's learn the topic. Okay, I have a picture for you and you need to identify it. And I know that you all know that this part of our body is none other than our sense organ, that is tongue. And you all know about the functions of tongue also. So you can pause the video right here and write the functions of tongue in your notebook and then unpause it and match your answer with my answer. See, function of tongue is that tongue is involved in licking, tasting, breathing, swallowing and speaking. So these all important functions are performed by our sensory organ, that is tongue. Now, where the tongue is present, where it is attached, so let's learn about that also. See, a tongue is a muscular organ. It is very important to know that tongue has muscles in it. A tongue is a muscular organ. It is present in mouth and it is covered with a moist pink tissue. Whenever you all will see your tongue, you can see that it is pinkish because it is covered with pink tissue called as mucosa. What is the name of that pink tissue which makes your tongue look pink? It is mucosa. Now, you can see that if you see your tongue in mirror, you will see that there are dot like things, pointed structures kind of thing present on your tongue. So that are called as papillae. What we call them as? We call them as papillae. So papillae are present all over the tongue and it gives the tongue a rough texture. It is covered by number of taste buds. We know that tongue is a sensory organ and it produces the sensation of taste. Now how it produces the sense of taste? Because it has taste buds over its surface. So there are several nerves in the tongue that help in transmitting the taste signals. See, these taste buds, they are sensitive to particular kind of taste, right? So when they get active, they generate impulse, right? Or you can say electric signal, whatever the stimulus is there, that gets converted into electrical impulse. So those electrical impulse, they are sent through nerve to brain and brain thus helps in taste sensation, right? Means it analyzes and then interprets its response and then you come to know that this particular thing is bitter, salty, soury or sweet or umami or it has a metallic taste. Okay, so taste buds are there on the tongue which help in producing the sensation of taste. Now if you'll see the tongue carefully in mirror or if you observe the tongue carefully, you will find these structures. See, in your mouth there is this soft palate. This is pharynx and on tongue if we'll see that it has got papillae over its surface. So you can see the papillae on these sides also. These are called as foliate papillae. Papillae are there on the tip also, on the front side of the tongue. They are called as fungiform papillae. And also they are located in this V form behind, the tongue. Or you can say the later part of the tongue, which is called as circumvallate papillae. So these papillae are found on our tongue, right? And now what function they perform, we are going to discuss that. So we have got different papillae and let's see that the function they are performing. So filiform papillae, where they are located on dorsal and lateral surface of the tongue. They are located on dorsal and lateral surface of the tongue. And you should know that they are keratinized, right? And they look white. they also have taste buds. Now, if they have taste buds, obviously they have that ability to get activated and generate an impulse to brain. Now, moving on to another kind of papillae, that is Filiform papillae, which you find here. So they are not keratinized, but they are vascularized. That means they've got good blood supply, and that is the reason they look red. And most of them, again, they have taste buds. Like they were in Filiform papillae also, they are in this one also. Okay, now next one we have circumvallate papillae. Where they are located, you can see that they are quite big and they are forming this V kind of structure, and they are quite big in size as compared to foliate and the another papillae. Another one is foliate papillae. Another one is foliate papillae, and you can see that it looks like ridges and grooves towards the posterior part of the roof of the mouth found on lateral margins. So these are foliate papillae. So you should know about name of all the papillae that we discussed, that is filiform, fujiform, then you did circumvallate and this foliate papillae and where they are located, and also about the taste buds. Now let me tell you that foliate papillae, they are also involved, in the sensation of taste because they also have taste buds. So foliate papillae, they are clustered into two groups, positions on each side of tongue. I hope you all can see here. And circumvallate is forming a V kind of structure. Now types of taste. There are total 6 types of taste. Total 6. Sweet, salty, sour, bitter. This you all know. Please include these two also, umami and metallic taste. So we have got 6 types of taste, not 4. Okay, you must know that like if somebody asks you about umami taste, that how it tastes like. So it is a savory flavor of protein-rich foods like meat, etc. And metallic taste is a taste of some processed food material. Right? So you should know about all these 6 tastes. They are important. Amazing fact about tongue is that sense of taste and sense of smell, they have close cooperative working relationship. See, when you smell something, right, these food odors or odorants, they are detected by the receptor proteins on a hair-like cilia at the tip of sensory cells in your nose, which in turns, send signals to the brain. So these two messages are what we would perceive as a flavor of taste, right? So through smell and what you taste through taste buds, they are both interconnected. That's the reason sometimes when you're suffering from cold, you cannot sense this, cannot sense the smell effectively. Though you have the taste, but you cannot sense the smell. So with this, we have come to an end. I hope you've understood about the tongue and the papillae. So please learn them thoroughly and make your habit to write and learn. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.